Hey, it's Adam from IronSight, and I'm going to show you a maintenance workflow in IronSight. So it starts with a request. This would be, say, a field operator that goes to a well site and they find a well that's down because the pumping unit or the pump jack has stopped working. So we're just filling out some of the fields here, like the belt size and the pump jack size. We can put in the production loss, which is useful for the dispatcher to prioritize. And we can say that 2 of the belts are broken and there's a broken guard that's also needs to be addressed once the technician's out there. So once we submit, that job will land over in the dispatch hub. So you can see it pop in right there. So the dispatchers can open that up and that'll actually notify the requester that their job is being addressed. So the dispatcher can review all that information put in from the requester, including the photo of the issue. They can see that there's 2 belts that are broken and need replacement or retightening. And they can go over into field view here. They can see 10 of 22 well. And then there's a yard here where they might have some belts, so he's just going to check the inventory. And they have the proper size here. So hopping back into the schedule, they can open that job back up and add in that they can pick up some belts at the Ardrossan yard. And we need 2 of them. So next step is just to look for a good technician for the job. So Adam Tech is nearby the pickup location and the well, so looks like a good candidate. And as we can see in the left side there, all the other technicians are busy. So I'm just gonna clear their schedule for today and then drop them down this higher priority corrective maintenance job. Just gonna follow up with a quick chat message here just to let them know the change of plans. And the technician out in the field will receive notification about the new job as well as the chat message. And this is them just replying back that they're gonna take care of it. So hopping back over to jobs here, they can open up that job and see where they need to go. You can start it, and now the job has gone active. They can actually use the app to get directions to the site as well. Back over in Dispatch Hub, the coordinators can view the real-time position of the technician as they're performing the work. So we saw them go to the yard, and now they're about to arrive at the well. So here's the technician arriving at the well. And before they start work, they're just gonna quickly submit a hazard assessment. Technician will go then fix that broken guard and take a photo of the actual fix. And they'll replace the belts, and they're now just filling out the mandatory job form to document that useful on-site information. So the belt broke because of wear in the sidewalls. They can enter the tension as found and as left, and then submit. So now the job's done, so they just slide to complete. And then over on Dispatch Hub, you'll see that job go from an active status to a completed status. The coordinators and admins can view the GPS breadcrumbs, travel distance, plan versus actual times, all of that on-site data that the technician collected, as well as the important timestamps and history of the job. Now they can hop over to analytics and gain some insights from all that useful information that was entered by the requester as well as the technician. I'm just showing some examples of some charts that can show you the equipment that's going down, how much time is spent being fixing it, corrective versus preventative maintenance, and so on. But really any KPI that you can think of can be built into one of these real-time dashboards. So yeah, thanks for watching, and you can learn more at ironsight.app.